Ever wondered what it's like to spend 3 weeks exploring the United States? Join us as Celia spills the tea on her incredible American adventure, from snowy Chicago to the vibrant streets of Nashville.
Hi, everyone.
I'm Mike.
Welcome to White Eagle. Today, we have a very special guest. This is Celia.
Hello, everyone.
So happy to be here. Celia, you just came back from an amazing trip. You were in the United States.
Yes, Mike.
I was in the USA. It was a big trip, a big adventure. Wow, an adventure. That sounds fantastic. Tell us, Celia, how long were you away? How many weeks did you spend in the United States? I was away for 3 weeks. Yes, 3 full weeks. A long time. 3 weeks. That is a good long trip. Did you see many places in 3 weeks? Yes, I saw many places. I visited many cities. It was very busy, but very good. 3 weeks is perfect. Not too short. Not too long. Right? Exactly, Mike. 3 weeks was just right. I had time to see a lot. I had time to enjoy. So, 3 weeks in the United States. That is a big country. Did you travel far? Yes, I traveled very far. I went to different parts of the country. North, south, different parts. That means different weather, maybe. Was the weather okay, Celia? The United States is so big. Was it always sunny? Oh, Mike! The weather was very different. It was not always sunny. Really?
Different weather?
Tell us more. What kind of weather did you have? In Chicago, it was very cold. So cold? It snowed a lot. Big white snow. Snow in Chicago. Wow. In 3 weeks, you saw snow. Was it pretty, the snow? Yes, the snow was very pretty. Everything was white. Like a white blanket.
But also cold.
Did you wear a warm coat? Yes, I wore a very warm coat. And a hat. And gloves. I needed them in Chicago. So Chicago was cold and snowy. That is one kind of weather. What about other places? Was it cold everywhere for 3 weeks? No, Mike. Not everywhere. After Chicago, the weather changed. It was warmer. Warmer. That is good. So you had sun too? Yes. I had sun. In some cities, it was very sunny. Very warm. I could wear a light jacket. Sometimes just a t-shirt. So in 3 weeks, you had snow and sun. Hot and cold. That is amazing. Yes, it was amazing. I saw all kinds of weather. Sun, clouds, and big snow. It was an experience. A real weather adventure. A weather adventure. I like that. You saw so much. From cold Chicago to warm, sunny places. Yes, the weather was a big surprise. Every day was different. Isn't that interesting? 3 weeks, and you get a full weather report across the USA. Celia, you visited many places in 3 weeks. Chicago with snow, other places with sun. What was your favorite part of the trip?
Which city did you like the best?
Oh, Mike, that is a very difficult question. I liked many cities. All were good.
I know.
It is hard to pick just one. But if you must choose, your number one favorite? Okay. My favorite city was Nashville. Yes, Nashville. I loved Nashville so much. Nashville. Wow. Why Nashville, Celia? What made Nashville so special for you? Nashville is so much fun. It is the music city. There is music everywhere. Music everywhere. Like bands playing? Yes. Live music. Bands play in bars. Bands play in restaurants. Sometimes bands play on the street. Good music. Always. That sounds fantastic. Did you listen to a lot of music? Oh, yes. I listened every day. I listened to country music. I love country music now. It is so happy. I danced a little too. You danced. That is wonderful. So, Nashville has amazing music. What else did you like about Nashville? The people. The people in Nashville are very friendly. Very welcoming. They smile a lot. Friendly people make a trip even better, right? Yes, friendly people are important. They made me feel happy. They made me feel at home. And the food? Did you eat good food in Nashville? Oh, the food. The food in Nashville is delicious. I ate very tasty food. Different food. I loved it. So, amazing music, friendly people, delicious food. Nashville sounds like a party city. It is a party city. Everyone is happy. Everyone is having fun. I felt so good in Nashville. It was the best. My favorite part of the 3 weeks. So, from snowy Chicago to the warm, musical heart of Nashville, Celia had quite the journey. Celia, we talked about 3 weeks. We talked about different weather and your favorite city, Nashville. So, the big question, overall, how was your trip to the United States? Was it a good experience for you? Mike, it was more than good. It was fantastic. I loved every single moment of my trip. It was an amazing experience. Fantastic. That is a strong word. Why was it so fantastic, Celia? Everything. The cities were beautiful. Every city was new. I saw many new things. So many new things to see. Yes! And the people. As I said, people were so kind. They smiled. They helped me. It made my trip easy. Kind people, new sights. What about the feelings? Did you feel happy? Did you feel excited? Oh, yes. I felt very happy. Very excited every day. It was full of joy. full of adventure. Every day was a new surprise. A new surprise every day for 3 weeks. That sounds like a dream trip. Would you go back to the United States? Would you travel there again? Yes, Mike. Definitely. I want to go again. I want to see more cities. I want to feel the energy again. Maybe next year. That is wonderful, Celia. So, a 3-week trip, varied weather with snow and sun, Nashville as the absolute favorite, and an overall fantastic, joyful, and adventurous experience. Thank you so much for sharing your story.
Thank you for having me, Mike. It was fun to talk about my amazing trip.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now, we want to hear from you. What's your favorite U.S. city to visit? Share your top picks in the comments below and subscribe to White Eagle for more exciting travel recaps.